Welcome back. Goa BJP has found no representation in the party President Amit Shah's new team. BJP President Amit Shah on Saturday announced his 53-member new team of office bearers from 20 states, including the newly formed Telangana. Shah has appointed 11 vice presidents, 8 general secretaries, 4 joint general secretaries of organization, 10 spokespersons and 5 Morcha presidents. Every BJP-ruled state has a representation except the Goa BJP. Watch this report.
Goa and Manohar Parrikar though are close to Prime Minister Modi's heart. The case may not be so with the state BJP. Not a single state BJP leader could find a slot in Modi's confident Amit Shah's new team BJP. Many are surprised with the exclusion of Varun Gandhi and with him the Goa BJP too. BJP President Amit Shah on Saturday announced his 53 members new team of office bearers on Saturday. Have a look at Shah's the new team BJP. Uttar Pradesh got major slots. 10 representatives from UP following 9 from Delhi, 4 from Maharashtra and Bihar, 3 each representatives from Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Chhattisgarh. Remaining 2 representatives are from other states like Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Himachal Pradesh and the Rajasthan. Goa has been a lucky place for Modi since his regime as a Gujarat Chief Minister in 2002. Modi achieved crucial milestones while in Goa during the BJP Nation Executives on couple of occasions. Goa and Manohar Parrikar enjoy this special place and space in Modi's heart, but not the Goa BJP. Latest declaration from the party's national president and Goa's exclusion poses a question mark over party's confidence in the BJP's next-gen leadership in Goa and their capability to take over the role on the national canvas following Manohar Parrikar and Shripad Naik. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Nationalist Congress Party has demanded to take back all the agricultural land sold illegally for non-agricultural purpose. NCP alleged that lakhs of square meters of agricultural land have been sold for non-agricultural purpose over the years, and this is a bigger scam than the mining scam. NCP also alleged that all the governments have been mum on this issue.
Nationalist Congress Party has raised the issue of illegal sale of agriculture tenancy land for non-agricultural purpose. NCP alleged that ignoring the related law, lakhs of square meters of agricultural land has been sold for non-agricultural purpose over the years. Attacking on Manohar Parrikar government, NCP spokesperson Trujano De Mello said that government is blowing up the mining scam just to hide this bigger scam.
No land purchased by a tenant under this chapter shall be transferred by sale, gift, exchange, mortgage, lease or assignment without the previous sanction of the government. Now, just have a look as to what was the purpose of the land, the spirit of that act, so that those farmers who were already cultivating for some years, that they may cultivate it and become the owner, so that they continue to cultivate it.
Trujano De Mello said that government should make all efforts and must get back agricultural land. He also demanded that an inquiry should be initiated immediately.
There are enough laws that already exist, and with some minor amendments which fall within the purview of the Constitution, the land can be preserved. The biggest scam today that is there in Goa is not the mining scam. If anything has destroyed Goa, it is the agriculture land which was tenanted land has been sold left, right and center.
Talking on Cirula Comunidad land scam, Trujano De Mello said that many related files are missing. Hence, government should take land back and direct owners to prove their ownership.
Now you can see Cirula Comunidad, all files are missing. Take the land back. The fellow who is the owner has to prove his bona fides. I don't have to prove. They have to prove their bona fides.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Suicide is preventable. Kuj, our NGO, has come up with a helpline number which will help people resolve their worries. Anyone in distress can call on 225-2525 and get assistance. Kuj is organizing various programs to educate people to avoid suicidal attempts.
Here we're all wearing yellow ribbons to represent suicide prevention. We start our festival from today, 15th August, and we go up right up to 10th September. Many schools, colleges, institutions, organizations, corporates are joining in with us to actually talk about that suicide is a preventable problem.
We want freedom from the mental stress that a person is going through, wherein he even thinks of committing suicide. So to fight back this particular thing, we have come up with this program, and today we are going to mark this opening by releasing a yellow balloon. And this program, the suicide prevention, is also celebrated throughout the world from 3rd of September to 10th of September. It's called the Go Yellow Festival, wherein all over the world people are making that awareness that suicide is preventable. अशें आमकां दिसता की suicide बद्दल उलयतकच त्या मनशाच्या तकलेन suicideची we are giving an idea to him to talk about to commit suicide, but it's not like that. It's a myth that if you talk about suicide, a person gets an idea. It's basically awareness that suicide is preventable. We can help, we can reach out to people and help them.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.